This is NBA Youngboy's Locs after being locked up. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Greatlocs. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're taking a look at NBA Youngboy's dreadlocks after he's been released. So we're looking at this video and his dreadlocks are extremely skinny. And this is something that we've seen before with NBA Youngboy, but we haven't really seen his hair retwisted this well. Which leads me to think that he got his dreadlocks freshly retwisted right after being released. And you can just see how well put together his locks are looking. And his locks are looking completely different than what they were looking like from the photos that were released when he was in jail. And in comparison to what his locks used to look like versus how they look now, they all look about the same size. And I feel that the way that his locks look pair very well with his hair type being a 4B. But with that tight of a curl pattern, it allows you to lock up the hair in smaller sections. And of course you can lock your hair up in as many sections as you would like. It just really depends on how much time and effort you want to put into them. And this is for any hair type. But I will say that it is more suitable for his hair type being a 4B. Overall, his locks are looking extremely clean. I actually seen some videos of him with his hair being in 2-strand twists. And let's actually take a look at those right now. So right here, not only do we see a clean retwist on NBA Youngboy, but we see his hair in 2-strand twist, which is actually, I believe, my first time ever seeing his hair in 2-strand twist. It's a very nice hairstyle. Not only does this help improve your dreadlocks, but it also is just an extremely clean hairstyle to have. This just goes to show that his hair is extremely maintained and very well put together. And one thing that I'm starting to notice throughout the community is that people are trying to get extremely skinny dreadlocks. And we're starting to see that not only people with tighter curl patterns like in the full range of hair types are getting locks that are skinny, but we're starting to see people with straighter hair types doing this as well. But you guys, that's NBA Youngboy's locks after being released, and I think they look really good, and I'm excited to see where his locks go here in the near future.
If you want locks, get the tools you need linked down below from Greatlocs.com. Turn your hair from this to this by clicking the link down below.